Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to show the date and time on your home screen on your Android device. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So from here, as you can see, we have our main homepage, and so we can scroll right and left and we can see some applications, but there is no date and time, and the only one that is showing is the one on the top left right here, but it's either too small or you have to scroll down to see the date fully. So all you have to do is to go on the homepage screen, select the page that you would like, then from here hold your finger, and now from here it's going to show you the screen right here, and you're going to select and click on widgets. Once you do that, you're going to scroll down until you see an option that simply says clock, which is going to be right here. Once you go ahead and click on it, it's going to show you all the options that it's going to provide, from digital to stacked to stopwatch or analog, and this is going to provide you the date and time all together in one section. So if I'm going to simply select the digital, then from here it's going to hold it, and then you can place it right here. And now from here it's going to ask you to select the style. So I'm going to select for here transparent. And now as you can see right here, now we have the date, and we can resize it to be larger or smaller, or then we can also edit it. And so we can change the style whenever we want. But for now it's right here, and now we have it showing on the home screen. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.